Good morning everyone. Today we will start exercise 11.2 question number 6. See the question. DL and BM are the heights on the sides AB and AD. DL is the height on AB, BM is the height on AD, ABCD is the parallelogram. Now area of parallelogram is given to you 1470 centimeter square, 1470. Then AB is given to you, this one here AB, that is 35 centimeter given, and AD, this one is your AD and it is given to you 49 centimeter. You have to find the length of the BM, the height, and the DL, that is also the height. So first we will write what is given to us. AB is 35 centimeter and area of parallelogram. The formula of area of parallelogram is base into height. Now area is given to us, that is 1470. We will write instead of area 1470. Then base is 35 but height is not given to us, and height is, what is the height? DL. So here instead of height I will write DL. So 35 is multiplying here, when it goes to other side it will divide, and DL is our height, so we will find height, and AB, that is 35, this one is our base. So now we cancel it on the table of 5. Then again on the table of 7. So we will get 42 centimeter, that is DL, and DL is the height. So now I find the DL, now I will find BM. Again I will write, now I will take base AD, that is 49 centimeter, and height we don't know. If I will take base AD, then height I will take BM. And that we don't know, we have to find. We will write area of parallelogram, and the name of parallelogram is ABCD. So base into height, and what is base here? AD, and height is BM, and area same, because same figure is there, so area is same. So AD I will put the value 49, BM as such. Now I will divide area with the base, that is 49, and we will find BM. Now I cancel it on the table of 7. Again on the table of 7. So 30 centimeter is our BM, so that is our answer. So it was question number 6. Now we will do question number 7. 7th question. Triangle ABC is right angle at A. Now triangle ABC is there and it is right angle at A. It means this one is a 90-degree angle. AD is perpendicular to BC. This one is our AD and that is perpendicular on BC. 90-degree angle is already shown. If AB is 5 centimeter, BC 13 and AC is given to you 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length AD. We have to find two things. One, area, and second, the length of AD. First we will find area of this triangle. Now formula of area of triangle is half into base into height, and this one is our right angle triangle. So this one is right angle triangle, so this one is our height and this one is our base. So for the solution, first we will write given AB, that is 5 centimeter, AC 12 centimeter, and we will write in triangle ABC, right angle at A. So area of triangle ABC, which is right angle at A, half into base into height, that you already know. So base, what is base here? Base is AB and height is AC. So you will put the value AB, that is 5, and AC, that is 12. 2, 6, 12, 5 into 6, 30 centimeters square, because it's area. So our first part we have done. Area of ABC is 30 centimeters square. Now second part is length of AD. We have to find length of AD. If height is AD, then base is BC, because height is on base. So base is BC and height is AD. Area we know, that is 30 centimeters square. We have find out in first part. So now we will write BC 13 centimeter, and that is our base. So height is AD, that we don't know. Area of triangle, same triangle is there, so same value we will put. Half into base into height, and half and base is BC, height is AD. So half and area, we will put the value of area, that is 30, and base is 13, and height we don't know, we will write 80. So 2 divide here, when it goes to other side, multiply. 13 multiply, when it goes other side, divide. 60 upon 30 centimeters square. You can write in decimal also, you can leave here also. So it was our question number 7. Now we will do question number 8. Question number 8. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle with AB and AC are equal. You know very well that isosceles triangle are those triangles whose two sides are same, equal. So AB and AC are equal, 7.5 and 7.5 centimeter, and BC is given to you, that is 9 centimeter. This one is our BC, and then they are saying the height AD from A to BC. The height from AD, that is AB, is 6 centimeter. So AD is given to you 6 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. We have to find area of this triangle, and what will be the height from C to AB. C to AB height, that is our height CE. We have to find height CE also. First we will find area of triangle ABC. For that, first we will write what is given in the question. So BC is given to us, BC, that is our base. So that base is given to us 9 centimeter, and AD is given to us, that is given to us 6 centimeter. So AD, that is our height is 6 centimeter. So we will write area of triangle ABC, again half into base into height, and base is BC and height is AD. You will write the value. BC is 9 and AD is 6. Cancel it. Then you will get 27 centimeters square. So it is our area. Now we will find CE. That is our height. If C is the height, then base is AB, because height is always on base. So I am going to write base, that is AB 7.5 centimeter, and CE we don't know, that is our height. We have to find area of triangle ABC, half into base into height. So area we find here 27, half, and what is base, that is AB, and height CE, half into AB, and what is AB? AB 7.5, height we have to find 27. So 2 is divide here, when it goes to another side, multiply 7.5 in denominator. Then CE, we will remove the point and write here 10. Now cancel it. Now you can cancel it on the table of 3 9s are, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are, now 25. You can cancel it on the table of 5, 5 5s are, 5 2s are. That's it. So we will multiply it. 36 upon 5 you can leave here also, or you can write in decimal. It will come 7.2 centimeters CE. So it was your question number 8. Today we will do till question number 8. Till then, bye. Take care.